Are you looking for the best 4K mirror dash cam 2024? Here are my full reviews of the best 4K mirror dash cam 2024. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Number 1. WOLFBOX G840S 12 inches 4K mirror dash cam backup camera, 2160p Full HD smart rearview mirror for cars and trucks, front and rear view dual cameras, night. When it comes to safety accessories designed for cars, it is beneficial to go with the ones that have a good track record within its user base. Therefore, we have the following mirror dashcam from WOLFBOX at the top of our list. Starting off our list, we have the WOLFBOX mirror dashcam backup camera, which also happens to be the most popular option in the market for mirror dashcam setups. This unit offers up to 1296p resolution video capture from the rear camera and up to 1080p video resolution from the front unit. This is a smart dash camera setup that also comes with a 12 inches wide display unit powered by an IPS display panel. The capture angle of the WOLFBOX mirror dash cam backup cameras goes as high as 170 degrees for the front unit and up to 140 degrees for the rear one. And since the display has a 2.5D curved design, you will notice a rather pleasant viewing experience with this setup. The WOLFBOX mirror dash cam backup camera also features a night vision option powered by a 6-layer glass lens that enhances the light capture in dark. Other smart features of this system include media streaming, GPS, loop recording, adjustable viewing angles, and much more. Number 2. Upgraded 10 inches rear view mirror camera mirror dash cam front and rear 1080p backup camera FHD full touchscreen W loop recording, G sensor, parking. On the other hand, if you are looking for a rather compact display with your mirror dash cam system, check out this option from JOMISE. This is also currently being used by thousands of users. In second place, we have the JOMISE mirror dash cam set. This set also includes both front and rear cameras so that you can get a comprehensive view of your car. The recording resolution of the camera is the standard FHD 1080p resolution, which is perfect for the included 10 inches wide digital display. However, the display offers WDR, HDR color support that enables a lifelike video preview of the captured image. Also, the included display of the JOMISE mirror dashcam offers full touch functionality for ease of access for the user. There is a 32.8 feet long cable included in the package that lets you easily connect the rear camera to the system without any problem. The JOMISE mirror dashcam is rated for super night vision functionality, which offers an impeccable display in dark for better security of your car. Similar to most other options on this list, the JOMISE mirror dashcam is backed by a year of warranty. Number 3. PORMIDO 2.5K mirror dash cam backup camera 12 inches large full touch screen front and rear view camera HD waterproof backup car camera 170 degrees wide angle, GPS. If you are planning to spend a significant sum on your mirror dash cam setup, you should also get a similarly powerful recording performance with the cameras. The following option from PORMIDO ensures that with the high-quality camera lens. Our third choice for the best mirror dash cam setups is the PORMIDO mirror dash cam set. This is probably the best option at this price since it offers almost all premium end features that you would want in your dash cam setup. First of all, the display included in this set is about 12 inches wide and operates on an IPS panel for the best viewing angles. Also, this is a touchscreen display that allows you to switch the viewing modes or angles with ease. However, the best feature of the PORMIDO mirror dash cameras has to be their camera lens. Both of the cameras included in this set are powered by a Sony sensor. Thus, you will get WDR capture technology, which ensures true colors on the display. Even the capture resolution of the camera is 1296p, which is a bit higher than the standard 1080p resolution. The rear camera of this set is very discreet in terms of design and comes with a 33 feet long connection cable for ease of installation. Best features. Set includes a 12 inches digital display. Up to 1296p video capture resolution. Backed by 1-year warranty. WDR supported camera lens. Pros. Camera lens are made by Sony. IPS digital display panel. 32 GB SD card included. Number 4. Kingslim DL12 Pro 4K Mirror Dash Cam. 12 inches front and rear view camera for cars with dual Sony sensor, GPS, super night vision, backup camera and parking. If you are looking for the best recording resolution cameras for your mirror dash cam set, the following option from Kingslim will be the best pick for you. Apart from high recording resolution, it also offers many additional features that you will like. The Kingslim DL12 Pro is the first option on our list of the best mirror dash cam systems that offer up to 4K recording resolution. As you may already know, 4K resolution is right now the best resolution you can have on a mirror dash cam system. And it is also perfectly compatible with the 12 inches IPS digital display included with the set. You can use the front camera at 4K resolution and the rear at 1080p, or you can use both cameras at 1440p resolution simultaneously for even performance. While the display offers touchscreen functionality to control the cameras, you probably won't have to use it since it also supports voice commands. You can simply ask the camera to start, stop the recording, change camera angles, and perform other functions. There is also a GPS module integrated into the Kingslim DL12 Pro that saves the location information, which can be really helpful while you are reviewing the footage. These cameras also feature an f1.8 aperture Sony sensor that enables super night vision support and WDR technology. Number 5. JOMISE 4K Mirror Dash Cam. 11 inches rear view mirror camera, 2160p rear view mirror backup camera, mirror dash cam front and rear, IPS touchscreen, Type-C. Up next, we have yet another high-resolution mirror dash cam set that might be the right choice for your needs. The following option is designed by JOMISE, a brand that produces a variety of mirror dash cams and their accessories. JOMISE Mirror Dashcam is also a premium end option that we have included on this list for its similarly high-quality features. First of all, it has an 11 inches wide digital display which is neither too large, nor too small for most users. And since this is a touchscreen display, you will find it much easier to access compared to other compact options. Also, the display panel used for this set is an IPS panel which is known to offer the best results as far as the viewing angles and color grading is concerned. The JOMISE 4K mirror dash cameras are powered by a Sony camera lens. Therefore, you will have support for up to 4K recording resolution, which is not that common in mirror dash cam units. The JOMISE 4K mirror dash cam is powered by a Type-C USB cable that prevents loose contact and maintains a uniform performance of the system. Similar to other premium options, you will also find superior night vision. Compatibility with the JOMISE 4K mirror dash cam thanks to the Sony Starvis camera sensor. If you were looking for a reliable option, this might be the one since it is backed by a 2-year-long warranty period.